Hi, my name is Lucy, and your friend invited you to a Color Street party. And I'm a Color Street stylist. Well, maybe not a party. She may have shared a link with you. But I wanted to share a little bit about what Color Street is, so you know what she's inviting you to purchase. And so the strips, you get 16 strips in a package. This is dry nail polish. See, I can touch it. Well, it does have a protective coating on, but you can touch it. It's got a base coat. It has a color coat and a top coat all in one. When you put it on, you can run your fingers through your hair, you can pet your dog, you can stick your hands in your pocketbook and search for something. It's amazing. There's no wait time. You don't have to drive to the salon. You don't have to make an appointment. You can do it whenever you want. I personally like to do it at night before I go to bed. Actually, I do it in bed. We have so many different styles. We have solids. We have solids. We have patterns, designs. We have sparkly glitters. There's just so many. We have overlays. You could put these over a color to give it some flair. We have French manis. We have pedicures. Pedicures. And not only that, yes, we have pedicures, but you can also, once you're done putting your strips on your nails, you're going to have extra, and you can put them on your toenails. So I'm going to start and show you what you actually get in one of these little packets. So first you have to pull the tab, which I never get open completely. And you open it. I'm trying to do it backwards for you, so here we go. And here's what you get. You get 16 strips. So there's 2 rows of 8. So there's a nail size to fit all your nails. You get a nail file, really cute. This one has stripes on the back. And an alcohol pad, which is this is your prep pad. You clean your nails with this before you apply the strips. Because if you have any residue or oils on your fingers, you want to get that off. So before you put them on, just like when you go to the nail salon, you want to push in your cuticles. So you can push them in with your nail, or you can take a cuticle pusher and just push in all the cuticles. Just go to each finger. I've already done that because I don't want to waste your time watching me push in the cuticles for every nail. Okay, so now I'm going to clean my nails with the alcohol pad. Okay, now I'm going to open the strips. There's a little tab there, you just pull. And here they are. Oh my God, they're so pretty. 2 sets of 8. All right, so we recommend starting from the pinky and then going to the index finger, and then the pinky to the index finger, and do your thumbs last, because, well, you'll see why in a second. So my pinky fits the smallest size. I have very narrow nails. So there is a protective coating on top. Whoop! You just peel that right off. Then you peel from the gray tab to get the nail strip off. Okay. Then I want to take that tab off. Look, it came right off by itself. So what I'm going to do So I always double my nail strips. If you double them, it kind of extends the life of the nail strip. So I'm going to take one side of this strip. I'm going to line it up on my nail. I'm going to go as close as I can to the cuticle, but not on the cuticle. Oh, see, so I was a little crooked because of the way I'm trying, and you can always pull back and start over. Let me just watch what I'm doing so that I don't mess up again. Okay, so you're on, and you just rub it on. Make sure the edges are secure. Then you're going to take your thumb, perforate the edge. There. Now I'm going to take this remainder and put it right on top of the nail I just did. So I'm going to line it up. I need to look at it from this angle to get it right. Put it right on top. Secure it. You can also take your cuticle stick or a rubber pusher and go to the edges to make sure they're nice and secure. And now I can just crimple the end here, use my thumb and perforate. You can also use a nail file. It's really whatever you prefer. So whatever you're most comfortable with. So now I like to, once it's all on, I like to just secure all the edges. Oh, I like this color. It's actually more, it's darker. It's not too pink. It's actually really pretty. And so that's how you apply it. So I have, so my next finger, pull it apart, take the top off, take the nail strip off, pull off the tab. So other thing you should know is that your nail strips, hold on here, if they're too warm, they're going to be too flimsy. There we go. Secure it. Rip the edge off. Again, you could just use a nail file. I should have, maybe the next nail I'll show you that. Take the excess, put it right on top. You want to make sure they're nice and secure on the corners, at the bottom, and of course on the top. So now there's still a little excess here. I'm going to take a file and just file from the bottom, and it just comes right off. Come on, little guy. Here we go. Isn't that pretty? So they shouldn't be too hot and they shouldn't be too cold. If they're too cold, the strips will be too hard and it'll be a little tough to stick. So you want it at room temperature, basically. I'm gonna just do one more for you so I can show you how to just do it with the nail file. So take the top off. You could just put it right back on there. Take the edge off. There we go. Stick it on your middle. I'm putting it on my middle finger. Okay. Now, if you don't want to use your nail, you can use a nail file. So get it on, take the nail file, go under the nail, and just pull it off. Now I'm gonna double it. Grab the edge. So I can send any one of you a sample so that you have something to practice with before your order gets to you, and because you don't want to mess up a fresh new set. So I'll send you a sample which has 2 nail strips. You can practice. You can use it as an accent nail. I'm using the nail file to get the excess off. In order to request your sample, just go to sample.mosaicmani.com. I will put it in the description of this video so that you don't have to worry about figuring out how to spell it. Anybody who orders from the link that your friend gave you will be entered into a giveaway for a free nail set, a free one. They're so pretty. They're so easy. You can do them at home. You can do them at night in your bed, which is the best time to do them. That's when I do them. I do sitting in my bed, do my nails, go to sleep, and that's it. So those are my 3 nails. I'm gonna finish my mani. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the comments below, or you can message me. Actually, I'm going to put a link in the description that links you to my VIP group. So that's where all of my customers pretty much go on my Facebook page, and we have lots of fun there. We do games and giveaways and sales. So it's a pretty fun group of women, and so I'll put that link down below. And you can also message me in there. You can direct message me and ask me whatever you like. I'm telling you, once you try these, you're gonna want them. And think about all the occasions you have coming up. Think about the fall is coming, Halloween, Christmas, Hanukkah, weddings. So many weddings now because they were all delayed because of COVID. I have a wedding tomorrow. I had one 2 weeks ago, and I have another one next week. So pick the nails that'll match your outfits. Pick your favorite colors. They're fun, trust me. So talk to your friend. She gave you the link, and place your order, and let us know if you have any questions. I hope this helped you to learn a little bit more about Color Street, how to apply them, and it's just so simple. It's so simple. Okay, I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.